Hi, second graders. Today I am going to take a look at some words with you and think about action words or verbs and how we can change them to make us know that something is happening right now. So I have a list right here of words that are base words. Base words mean that they don't have anything special on the end of them. They're just the word all by itself. So the first three words that I have are the words sing, look, and land. And we're thinking about verbs or action words. So I'm thinking about when somebody will sing a song, when we use our eyes to look at something, and when we land, like if a bird is flying and then it will land on a tree. But what happens if we want to talk about that happening right now? We're going to do something a little different to make these words have an ending on it. Let me go ahead and write some things down and you can notice what rule I'm using or what am I adding to this word to change it a little bit. So this word started as sing. Watch what I'll write now. Singing. The girl was singing a song. This word says look. What do you think I'll change it to? Please look at me. You are looking at me. Right now it's happening. You're looking at me. Okay, and remember the bird is going to fly and land on the tree. What will happen here? What will it look like? I watched the bird as it was landing on the tree. So I took these base words and all I did was I stuck on ing at the end. So when you have a base word, you can put ing on the end of it to show that something is happening right now. The rule for some of the base words is that you add ing at the end of the word. Okay, this is gonna get trickier now. I bet you already knew this part. Now, what happens if the word is like these words and it ends with an E? If I want to change this word, it says write. I will write you a letter. But what if I'm doing it right now? I am writing you a letter. I'm going to write you a letter, or I am writing a letter. So the word will look like this. Pay attention close to what I do. Let's see if I use all the same letters from here. This is how you spell the word writing. I noticed that the E is missing. Let's check if that's the same rule for the word make. I will make you a beautiful birthday cake. If we change it to show that it's happening right now, we'll say making. I am making a beautiful birthday cake. And here's how we spell that. Did you notice? This one, we left out the E, we put an ing. And on make, we take off that E and we use ing. Okay, one more, scare. Please don't scare me. Or if it's happening right now, you could say, you are scaring me. And I wonder if we'll take the E off on this one. Usually when words end with an E, we take off the E, cross it out, and we add ing. So it will look like this. When a base word ends with an E, the rule is we say drop the E. That means to take it off. We drop the E, and then we add ing. So I'm going to say then add the ending of ing. All right, when you are reading and writing, you'll know if you're using a word that has ing at the end, because you're telling that something's happening right now, then you can add ing to a base word. But if your base word ends with an E at the end, you're going to take off or drop the E, and then you're going to add your ing at the end of your word. All right, thank you so much for practicing and thinking with me, and I'll see you soon.